winter! Don't do it. You got me, you peasant. Sucker. Guess what, boy? You trapped. Smoke bomb.
Good job, team. Get ready for the next round.
Winter came! Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. It snowed last night, sort of, not really. It's like, it stayed on the grass and everything, but like the roads are already melted. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I was telling you guys I was gonna go sliding, but it just instantly melted because it doesn't stay cold long enough here. What do we call that? It's like the best news, but like, is there like a big word for that? Best news anybody could ask for. The number one thing that happened to me today, amongst the million things that's already happened today, is it is only 12 o'clock right now. But Emerson's here and he's doing stuff. He's officially no longer working. This is he's got like a week off before he goes back to school. So this is his week between work and school. So he's here all week, and then when he goes back to school, he'll be done. What time are you done school? At 2? Doesn't matter. He's done school and he's gonna be here all the time helping. He's not gonna be working all the time. So Emerson is officially more in back in the channel. Anyways, what we're gonna be doing today is, what are we gonna be doing today? I don't really know.
Oil drain, oil feed, crank down the turbo on the block properly. Shop.
Nice. There's a fitting here. Way to go, dude. Oh, here. Emerson bought this. So basically, we're gonna relocate his battery today, and the battery used to be here. We cut the hole there for the intercooler piping. So we're gonna relocate the battery to the trunk. And in doing so, you're kind of left with nothing up here. So what this thing is, it's like a fuse block. It's like having like the OEM fuses in your car, except we're gonna take the negative and positive from where the battery used to be, and we're gonna run them to this. So if you wanna run like light bar or lights or fans or anything, any kind of accessory, you can run it off of this instead of having to run a wire all the way to the back where the battery will now be. Right? Did I say that right?
Yep, and it looks cleaner.
And it looks clean. And it looks really cool, actually, because it's like a fuse box, but...
You are such in a rush. Turbo. That you forgot this.
Yeah, I know, okay?
I was just gonna...
Yes, it is.
Vent the atmosphere?
Yes. vent the used oil to atmosphere. Make something happen here. What do you want to do?
First? Let's clean.
Clean first?
Let's do it quick.
Dude, literally like, yo, I wonder which one of these guys lives up the mountain. The only one covered in snow. We should have put these in the BRZ. I'm waiting for the low idle. We picked up this battery box, which comes with like a strap. You can see the grooves. So you like drill the straps on each side, and then you kind of strap it to the floor. All right, and then we got 15 feet so that we can run the positive from where it is right now in the car all the way to the hatch. We got a bunch of fittings for making things, and this is the strap. Connectors, whatever, man. I say a lot of words in a day, okay? Like, everybody messes up. I just say it on the internet.
Thread lock. This goes to the turbo. Figure that out. We're gonna do the 90. Hose come this way, all this way, and then it's gonna slope down to 45.
Okay, so you want me to just pull that whole thing out and then we can go from there? Got it. Here, dude, I got us espresso and I got you a chocolate. Dude, I want to get little Committed Crew espresso cups. I don't have we got an espresso machine a while ago and I'm drinking it out of like full-size cups, but it's just like a little shot in the bottom. There's like no need for that. You guys drink coffee? Do you guys drink like espresso? Did you guys buy coffee mugs? People literally told me they'd buy the cup I bought you for Christmas.
It's for sale.
No, it's not, man. That's a gift from my heart to yours. Fun fact about this garage, when it was built, it was actually built as like a carport, and then they just turned it into a garage. Like this is the outside of the house, and then you can see it's just like framed off. It was a carport, they turned it into a garage, and because of that, it gets hella cold. So last night we just bailed. It's really cold this week, like really cold. Let's put the wheels on and drop it so we can get to the back properly.
It's not hub-centric.
guess we just got used to it being high, I think is what happened.
I think we added some weight too.
Yeah, we did add some weight. The front end sits just a little bit lower, but we got the hatch popped. We totally forgot that these things are blown, so we have just like the vice grips holding it for now. We have new ones. I don't know if we'll get to that today. You want to start by like cleaning up the wires up there, and I'll start by like drilling your battery box back here?
Start with running the wire.
Running the wire? Fine, we'll start in the boring places. You have a thing you can go in,
it's easier
right?
if I start here.
Oh yeah, poke it through the hole? Okay.
Instead of trying to pull the whole wire through.
See, yeah. It's just stretching. Here. Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
You guys take that.
Oh, that's a great noise. You're gonna have to squeeze, boy. Hey! Oh, you ruined it right away. Well, you do this. I'm gonna make sure that we actually have enough battery cable to get to the back. It's gonna have to come out and like go this way. Dude, this is gonna be so close. Oh, you'll be good. You'll be good. No. So first off, shout out to Derpy for the coolant overflow. Whoa, that's really zoomed, eh? If you guys remember like 2 months ago or maybe more in a video, Derpy gave that to Emerson because his 4-240, he just had it in his garage, he had it laying around. The clips were super bent, but like we got it to fit. We got his new coolant overflow in, and basically the reason we did this, move your hand, and we also drilled this a little bit so that the pipe fits like 100% perfectly. And now what Emerson's gonna do is he's gonna run the power to the new little power box he's gonna put up front. We're gonna get like Brad to weld us a piece of metal in there. It's not gonna stay that ugly forever. But while Emerson gets this kind of figured out and wired up, I'm gonna start like doing the interior pull back and running of the line to the back. Like we had to do a little bit of modifying. You probably saw us like bending some clips, but now that it's in, it's hot, boy. It's a lot tighter now that we're back here, so we hope it works. Nothing, I didn't say anything.
What'd you do?
I did nothing, I promise. He's on to us. Just slowly hide away in the hatch.
What'd you break?
Should be right there somewhere, but where'd it go? We ended up having enough. We're good. So I literally just ran this down along the side, like down underneath the seat, and then it just tucks into the carpet and goes straight up. Comes up all under here, runs underneath that little tunnel, comes up in behind this thing, and then just goes like around whatever fuses, ECUs, whatever he's got going on there, and then up through the grommet, and whoop-bam! We good, baby! Yo, we might have to put it sideways, dude, because if it goes, the box we bought is so big, if it goes lengthwise, it's gonna hit your fuel pump thing. Like it doesn't sit flat this way.
You can put the battery there, no problem. Perfecto.
And that's it, dude. This is like, I know it's only 4 self-tappers because Emerson bitched out about the rest of it, but I don't know. I've seen people with less and it still works, so that's what's gonna happen for now.
Battery to the back. I have to next to the, and that's the way I wired
I tucked my wire a little bit more. I tucked it like underneath this, and then it just kind of comes back up because the battery for the positive will be right there. I put just a little bit of tape to cover this, and then Emerson's been up here working. He also put an end on the other end of the cable that I'm working on, and then this is this comes off the starter, right?
Yeah.
This one's got to get tucked still. It's not very pretty, but all 3 of these are gonna kind of like junction together, and they're gonna junction right here on the positive side of this, on the positive side of the new box that he got, and then he's working on a negative right now. And the only way we can test this when we're done is, I guess, just pop the lights. Like we can't really try and start it because there's no oil, and we had to take out the coil. You know, things just go wrong. But we can try with the lights. If they pop and turn on and nothing explodes, then we're doing a good job. That's grounded there. This is good stuff. It's ready for a battery. What do you need? Do you want me to help you put a nut and bolt there?
Yeah, I need another bolt here so we could. I can't even English.
I know, you're bad at words. We got all 3 of these guys junctioned right here. It's not nice yet. Just to reiterate for you guys, we're not doing it nicely until we test it, make sure it works. Then we'll button it all up. But shh, the people don't want to hear this. They want to hear your beautiful voice. Like if we pooch something and we turn the lights on, shut up!
Sorry, what was I trying to say?
If we pooch, put the battery in, we'll link it all up, and like, it's either we did it right or it's something sets fire. Whoa, what are you doing? What are you doing? You don't go in the car. Bruh. Who's a rookie now? Look at that squat on the boy.
heavy, alright?
Just lets it go. Okay, ready? Watch for the interior lights.
Got me for sure.
Oh, we got one dome light. I'm like hidden behind the fender, just like trying to stay out of the firing zone. You do the honors. I'll stand up here and make sure.
Do we try the motors first?
I don't care what you do, just. Oh, brother! Do it again. Give me some light. Oh, yeah! So we were worried. We didn't know how much it could take if putting all the power to it might not be a good idea, but it says it's fine on the package. We did it. It seems to be okay, so that's good. And you can just wire it into these little terminals. So like this side is positive and this side is negative. So you just wire one to each end, and it's like wiring it to your battery. Also has this lid, so it's not always like bare naked. There's like a lid that clicks on, but we gotta wire it so the lid stays off. Yeah, here, we'll throw them out the holes here just to make sure they work. Like the main reason that we did this, instead of just running the classic junction disaster, is so that you can easily wire up, a new light pod or a new gauge or underglow or whatever you want to do, right? Do the headies first. Headlights, pop them, and now flick those guys on. Oh! That's good, dude, it works. And we're not getting any fires. I'm actually really impressed. This is a really cool little box. Anybody that wants to relocate their battery, I will leave a link to one of these down below.
So guys, it's marine grade, it's meant for boats.
Yeah, it's marine grade, it's meant for boats, it's meant to get soaked, which is like really, really good. I don't know, where'd you get this one? Probably just at an auto parts store, but I'll leave a link to the same thing in the description below if you guys are interested, because this is a really cool thing. It saves you from having like to wire things directly to your disaster that would come from relocating your battery. So that is cool. I've never seen anybody do that before. I'm sure people have. I've just never seen it. I recommend it. It's down below. Dude, that actually tucked really nicely. Like I've seen a lot of people who have cables and you like notice it, but the way your carpet sits in this car, you don't even see it at all. Like it looks like 100% like there's nothing there. Yeah, that's true, maybe. I don't know. Whatever you're saying. Sure.
Whatever.
Big thumbs up, bro. Whatever floats your boat. Anyways, I'm gonna go outside and start dinner. That's all we're gonna have for you guys today. I hope you guys are stoked. The battery's relocated. We got some power going. The rad and stuff is shipped, and the injectors and the fuel pump just got here. So we are so close to being done. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys are stoked to see this thing on the dyno, because we are getting so close to finally having it ready to run. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay committed.